Forex trading is a fairly unique section of the financial world, and for people that are looking to get into it, it can be very intimidating. Even for experienced traders, there's often a fine balance between understanding of the world's money markets and being accepting of the organized chaos that such a profession brings. Fortunately, there are tons of tools designed specifically for people who are interested and who can work within the area of foreign currency exchange. And many of them can really improve the way you work. Here are 6 apps that every Forex trader needs on their phone. App 1. Forex.com app. Forex is generally the go-to website for participating in foreign currency exchange. The entire process is kind of named after the website after all, but it's got a reason for being so ubiquitous. It has some of the lowest spreads on the market, and its mobile app is actually quite nice to navigate on both Android and iOS. Many trading platforms disable certain features on their mobile apps, but Forex allows for full functionality without any restrictions. It allows you to get the same advanced charting options, news, and fund management options as the desktop version, all with the convenience of being on the go. App 2. eToro. Whether or not someone is an experienced Forex trader or someone just starting out, using one's own money can always be quite intimidating when entering such volatile markets. eToro, while being a Forex trading service in and of itself, provides an incredible risk-free $100,000 test portfolio where you don't have to invest any money but can play around with all of the app's features and test your mettle in the realm of foreign currency exchange. It's almost like a practice mode for entering the market, which can be very useful for anybody who wants to test out a new portfolio spread. App 3. MyFXBook. MyFXBook is an analytical tool that allows a trader to analyze their Forex trading account, providing several advanced statistical analyses in order to help you understand your trading habits effectively. It also functions as a sort of social media platform, possessing a feed where you can socialize with other Forex traders and follow others in order to see how their portfolios are performing and whether or not their methods are successful. Learning from others is incredibly important in such a complex market, so a social media app fully focused on Forex is certainly a unique and useful tool. App 4. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. The Thinkorswim app is TD Ameritrade's mobile platform for Forex trading, but it also offers a lot for people who are already using a separate platform. It offers new alerts and direct CNBC mobile streaming of market news directly within the app's interface. Traders who are on the go a lot will also appreciate the platform's alert system, which sends push notifications with set trading alerts set up to your own preferences. It's a very good all-in-one app, and it's very intuitive to navigate. App 5, InvestMate. Even with all of the tools in the world under someone's belt, they won't immediately be good at Forex trading. It takes a lot of time to learn the markets, to understand what all of the numbers mean, and to know what you're supposed to actively look for in order to make money. InvestMate provides incredibly easy, incredibly user-friendly lessons to help in all different aspects of investing, with Forex trading being one of the most useful. It effectively acts as a sort of financial Duolingo, allowing for short lessons whenever someone can make time to learn. App 6. Bloomberg. Despite what trading platform you use or what analytical tools you have access to, they'll all be useless if you aren't tuned into the news regarding the Forex market. Bloomberg has a proven track record of being reliable and on time with important news, allowing traders to make important decisions regarding their accounts and their money with the knowledge that they need in order to do so. The robust notification system and tailorable news feeds are also quite nice, allowing you to filter out the news you don't want to see and focus specifically on the foreign currency exchange market. Forex trading is an incredibly complex section of the financial world, but it can also be incredibly rewarding once you know the ropes. These apps will provide you with the tools necessary in order to either learn the trade or to keep on top of your game, providing critical information regarding the foreign currency markets and information about Forex trading itself. Considering how much information they give and how easily accessible they are, these apps should definitely be on every Forex trader's phone.